Alright guys, Leon here, 9Z4PM. Alright, so the two element for 40 meters with the folding boom, extended out the boom. So from the middle of the boom out to the element there is about 8.5 feet, yeah. Alright, 46-foot long element, like the reflector in the back there. And trim element in front here. Right. Yep. Trying to get a good video of. So this is the bracket here where it's folding. And take out this bolt here. I'll put in this one. I'll level it off a little bit. Take it out there and you pull up this thing will form a V. So that's how the folding, able to fold. Right. Probably about nearly 6 o'clock here right now. Nice and cloudy, cool. Alright, so far so good.